Hey everyone, Crash and Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we have Rocky's 1965 Chevy C10. On his 29 Ford Roadster supercharged, and we also worked on a super nice, super clean Cobra replica with a Roush motor in it. A few weeks ago we put in Classic Instruments analog but digital gauge cluster. Super nice, easy install. And this time around we did a new panhard bar and door gaskets for around the windows, the ones that were in there dry rotted. And we also discovered that his upper radiator hose was completely collapsed. There's a little short on our page about that. It ended up being the overflow was plugged up and it just caused a vacuum situation to collapse that hose. I really like this color combo. This purple is so vibrant when the light hits it. It's got a fine metallic in it. And I mean, I would never have thought about this color combo, but this champagne goldish silver color, whatever you want to call it, that's also got a fine metallic in it. And it really just pops with the purple. Pretty nice truck. 5-speed AC, basically, you know, stock looking. Nice upholstered seat, bench seat, kept the bench seat. Foos 5 spokes. It's just a really nice driver. Oh, I forgot, we put a sway bar on the front of it. Man, when I test drove it last time it was here, felt like you were going to tip over. Had no sway bars on it at all. So put a sway bar on the front, make it go around corners a little better. And we will, I mean, this color has to be outside, It's vibrant in here. Check out the lettering on the tailgate. Highlights, darks, makes it look even more dimensional than what it is. Pretty fun truck. I do like that color. I feel I should have something purple. Check out underneath the hood. Small block Chevy. Headers. It's got fuel injection on it. Nice serpentine belt setup with polished aluminum brackets. Aluminum radiator, electric fan. Clean, simple, easy to use. Disc brakes on the front. A little bit of chrome. That would look good in the sun at a show. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. You can't beat a small block Chevy for dependability. Sun's out, nice and bright. is that in the sun? In the sun, that purple, it's like it's backlit when the sun hits it. Get it at just the right angle. Look at that. Man. And that champagne color in the bed and the interior. Really good color combo. Look at that champagne in the sun. Nice original looking interior. Got the 5-speed for those who know what 3 pedals are. Really nice driver. Long bed. I don't mind a long bed. They look better low. I mean, I would have to hammer this on the ground for sure, but everybody's got their own feel. They want it to feel like an old truck. That's the stance of an old truck. I prefer a small back window when you're driving that thing out in the sun and the sun's behind you. Big back windows. That's how you become a redneck. Years ago, probably 15 years ago, my dad and he bought a 64 Chevy pickup truck when we were back in Wisconsin. He was in Havasu. He had it shipped to Wisconsin to my shop. I did some stuff on it for him, lowered it, make sure it ran good, and then he flew to Wisconsin and we drove that back to Havasu, Milwaukee to Havasu, 1,900 miles. And that thing had a big back window. And once that sun was behind you, it was not enjoyable with that sun beating down on you. So I definitely prefer the small back windows. But, you know, what's popular is what's popular. If you got a trailer queen, who cares how big the window is? But if you like to drive them, I prefer a small back window. Look at how straight this is. Super straight. Really like that color combo. And for me though, I tried to talk him into lowering it, even just static. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Hammered on the ground, on air, laying frame, static. Maybe get those tires in the back to tuck with a static drop, like 4 or 5 in the front, 6 in the back. That's what I would do, but everybody's got their own opinion on things. What's yours? I'm going to take it for one last test drive, get it up to temperature, make sure the fluids are flowing right and that radiator hose does not collapse and it does what it's supposed to do. Other than that, that's another one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you weekly content. Thanks.
Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. Well boys, do you think I like 'em long or short? The truck beds, of course.